Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see about sets in Python. Set is a data structure in Python which is an unordered collection of unique elements. Let's create a set. My set is equal to, we have to use the same curly braces and we'll try to print it. Now if you want to convert a list to a set, right, we can use my set is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now I am adding a list to convert into one set. Yeah, so now let's say you want to find a particular element in a set. For example, I want to fetch the second element in a set. That's not possible because sets won't maintain any order. So let's try that. If you see, it is giving an error, it's not subscriptable. Now let's see few operations in set. Let's say I have to add an element in the existing set. We can do it via add method. Okay, I didn't print, I will try to print it. We can see that 4 is added to the set. So if you want to add a list into a set, we have update function. My set.update. So it means the elements of the list will be added to the set. So let's say I am adding a duplicate element 4 here. We'll see if it is getting added or not. No, it won't get added because sets won't maintain any duplicate elements. Now, if we want to remove an element, right, we have few methods. First, let's see remove method. My set.remove 6. I am trying to remove the 6. 6 has been removed. One more method is discard method. Discard 4. Okay, I am trying to remove 4. 4 has been removed. Now let's see if I want to remove an element, but what if that element is not there at all? Will it give an error? Let's try first with remove. I am trying to remove 7, which is not at all there. It is giving a key error. But one speciality about discard method is even though the element is not there, it won't give the key error. Discard. If you see, it doesn't give any key error. So there is one more method, pop. It will remove a random element and it will return that element also. Yeah, it has removed the first element 1 and it has been returned the element. There are some set operations. First, let's talk about union. My set is equal to 1, 2, 3 and I am creating one more set which is 4, 5, 6. Union method is something, it will combine two sets into one set. So now let's see in my set if that elements has been added. Okay, I am not returning it, we should print directly. Okay, so now the union method has been explored. Now let's try intersection. Intersection is nothing but to find the common elements between two sets. So now let's take the same set and modify a bit. 2, 3, intersection. Yeah, 2 and 3 are the common elements. One more method is difference. So now let's try that. The difference is something, it will return only the elements in the set 1, which is nothing but here my set. Yeah, so it will basically give only the elements which are present in the my set and it is not in the new set. Now let's see some other set methods, subset and superset. How to check subset and superset? Now let's create two sets. I'll give this name as subset, and here 2 and 3. Now basically I want to check if subset is a subset of the my set. So basically it's nothing but if its elements are there in the my set. Subset dot is subset of, let's take this only and run this, it should return true. Similarly, let's try superset also. Let's change it to superset of subset. Superset is where it has all the elements that are in subset also. So now it has returned true. So these are the set operations. So where we can apply the sets. So sets basically doesn't allow duplicates. So where if you want to remove duplicates from the list, you can use sets. And also where you have to perform mathematical operations like union, intersection, difference, you can use the sets. So in this video, we have explored what is set, how to create a set, how to add an element to the set, how to remove an element, and what are the set operations are there, subset, superset, and its applications. Hope you had a good learning in this video. Please share, subscribe and like this video. Thank you.